In a pharmaceutical world, every step matters. From the first idea in a lab to the final product that reaches patients. But between research, regulation, production, and marketing, teams often work in silos, disconnected and delayed. Now imagine bringing all those roles together in one intelligent platform, designed to simplify, connect, and accelerate the entire process. Introducing CDMO Excellence, an AI-powered assistant tool for contract development and manufacturing organizations. It connects every department: scientists, compliance teams, production managers, supply chain staff, and marketers, all in one simple workspace. Let's explore how each module powers efficiency across the entire pharma value chain. The Business Development Assistant helps teams find new product ideas and optimize existing ones. Users simply describe what they're working on, and the tool instantly generates new formulations, packaging options, and improvement strategies. It helps sales and product teams pitch creative, customized ideas faster and with confidence. The Regulatory Compliance Bot ensures every product meets global standards before launch. By entering product details and region, the tool cross-checks safety, ingredients, and packaging against worldwide regulations, like FDA or EMA. With the click of a button, the tool generates FDA-specific reports, preventing costly regulatory delays and protecting brand reputation. The BOM Auto Creation tool transforms production planning. Once a formula is finalized, the AI automatically creates a detailed bill of materials, listing every raw material, quantity, and packaging component. It helps teams move from planning to production faster, then save to the BOM database. The BOM management module helps operations teams stay on track. After the BOM is saved, users can review, edit, and approve BOMs in real time while monitoring production progress. It ensures materials are ready when needed and manufacturing never slows down. The ERP dashboard gives a complete real-time snapshot of production and inventory. Managers can instantly see today's output, pending approvals, and reorder alerts, making quick, informed decisions from a single screen. The product catalog lists every product with full details and stock status. Sales and marketing teams can quickly check availability, plan distribution, and coordinate directly with operations for faster client deliveries. The AI for Drug Formulation module helps scientists innovate with confidence. By entering a formula or challenge, the tool suggests better ingredient combinations, stability improvements, and packaging ideas, accelerating R&D and reducing trial cycles. The Artistic Review tool helps marketing and design teams perfect their packaging. It checks uploaded labels and artwork for clarity, compliance, and visual appeal, ensuring every product is market-ready and regulation-safe. Now all these intelligent modules are powered by Opt-LLM, TechOptima's own large language model, built for privacy and security, enterprise-grade AI solutions.